What's going on, family? Today, we're making Jamaican oxtails with beans and rice. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, drop me a comment, hit that like button. For those that are new, welcome to Discover Flavor. To my returning subscribers, peace and blessings to you all. Bless up. Let's jump into it. Now we're gonna season our oxtails. Got salt, garlic powder. We're gonna hit it with some freshly cracked ground pepper. Now let's make sure we season both sides, man. You gotta season. Get all that seasoning in the crevices of these oxtails. Now we're gonna add our Spur Tree oxtail sauce. This stuff is delicious. It adds so much flavor to the end result. So if you want to make your own, feel free. You know, this is something quick that I use, and it's very, very delicious. Very delicious. All right, we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. I like to sit them for 8 hours. I mean, at a minimum, at least set them in the fridge for about 2, so that marinade can sit in there and get all nice and delicious. All right, so after 8 hours, look at the bowl. The bowl's all cold. It's been sitting in that fridge for a while. The flavor's been developing in there. Now we're gonna add them to the Instant Pot. So we're gonna put it on saute. We're gonna put it on saute, get a little color on it. And we're gonna go ahead and add the oxtails in the Instant Pot. Now this pressure cooker right here, this thing is a lifesaver, man. It does many different things. You can steam, you can saute, you can make rice. You can do a lot with it. All right. So all of our oxtails are in, and we're gonna let these cook by themselves initially. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna add the vegetables. Okay. I like to do it this way. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but I like to cook the oxtails down first. Let that flavor just develop in there. Then for the last 30 minutes to an hour of cooking, I go in and add the vegetables. All right. Let's make sure we get all the sauce too, man. I like that sauce, that gravy. Get that gravy in there. And as it cooks down, it just, oh my God. Y'all gotta try it, man. I hope as you watch these recipes, you take them, you make them your own, and you give them a try. Okay. So as that's cooking up, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on, change the setting to stew, put the top on. We're gonna set our time, man, and that's it. That's all you gotta do with this Instant Pot. So if you got things to do throughout the course of your day, prep your food, get it in the pot, man, and do what you do. Now I'm gonna prep the veggies now. Alright, let's go ahead and pop that middle out. I always keep a bowl by to throw my little miscellaneous pieces of veggie in there. Some people, they compost. Some just chuck it in the trash. Hey, to each his own. If you got a garden in the back, perfect for composting. Alright, we can go ahead and chop those up, rough chops. Y'all know I don't get too in depth with my chopping. Get those going. I leave these peppers whole, man. I like to leave them whole. So just take the seeds out and leave them whole, throw them in there, chop the onion up, get the onion going. If you like the heat, I got some Scotch bonnets over there. Got about 3 of those I'm gonna add as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our rice for our rice and peas. Okay, I like jasmine rice myself, so we're gonna do like about 3 cups of rice. Go ahead and rinse the rice off, get all the debris, the rocks, whatever. It be things in your rice, man. Wash your rice, brothers and sisters. Wash your rice, man. So you're gonna go ahead and throw some water in there. Rule of thumb, the first line of your finger, cover the rice. You're gonna salt that, add a little butter. Bring it to a boil. Then cut it down and let it simmer. And we're gonna use our Jamaican red peas and seasoned coconut milk. This is a game changer. If you like rice and peas and you want to taste authentic, man, this is a game changer. Make sure you get some of these. I don't know if they sell them in your area. If they don't, I feel bad for you, but hey, make sure you get at least 2 cans. You know what I'm saying? That's about 3 cups of rice. This stuff is amazing. All right, we're gonna add our salt, a little onion powder. Get our bougie pepper shaker out there. Let's add some freshly ground black pepper. Add some garlic powder. And then we're gonna get this water. Add a little water so it can cook down. And that coconut milk in there is just, man, it's crazy. If you want to add additional coconut milk, feel free. Like I said, make this recipe your own. Everything I cook, make it your own. That's what I did. All right. Now let's check on these. Check on these oxtails. Release that steam. Man, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Cook it down nice. We're gonna go ahead and add our veggies. Give it a nice mix. And they're already tender. They're already tender. But we still gonna add them in there for another 45 to an hour. Let's roll with an hour. Now let's plate up. We're gonna add our rice and peas. I like to add a little succotash to the side of mine. So this is tomato, okra, corn, cooked down. Ain't nothing like it. Alright, now let's get these oxtails. Oh man, veggies. Got nice little veggies. And these oxtails fall off the bone straight from the pressure cooker. Oh my God. So make your big plate, enjoy yourself, and there you have it, family. Jamaican oxtails, rice and peas. Then I got a side of succotash. Man, it's amazing. Give it a try. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please hit that bell for notification. I'd like to thank y'all for breaking bread with me. Enjoy the food.